guys, and to all mommies out there. So my another video is about remedy again, and I just want to share this remedy to you all mommies out there. This another remedy is very effective as well, same as the remedy that I tried before, which is moringa or malunggay leaves remedy for cough and cold. And if you did not watch that yet, I will put the link on my description box below so you can watch it after this video. So the another remedy that I want to share to you all mommies out there is honey and calamansi. If you don't have calamansi at home, you can use lime or lemon. Okay, as you can see, there's no label on it on my pure honey because I did not buy it to any supermarket or any store. I just bought this pure honey on wet market day, which is the seller is Aita Tribes. And when I taste it here at home, it already has calamansi on it, so I'm just gonna add more calamansi. So let's start. So what is the health benefits of honey for your kids? It gives them long-lasting energy. Honey is primarily made of 3 types of sugar: sucrose, glucose, and fructose. It contains needed vitamins and minerals. It protects their liver from damage. It helps wounds heal faster. It calms down coughs. Just pour 1 tablespoon of honey in a cup. So I'm just gonna add 2 pieces of calamansi because the honey has already calamansi. Calamansi is the Filipino version of lemon. Calamansi, also spelled calamansi, is used extensively in Filipino cooking. It also has multiple purposes outside of the kitchen. I've heard people use it as whitener for dark knees, elbows, and armpit as alternative whitening product. I just put 1 tablespoon of honey because it's just a baby, but you can adjust sweetness according to your taste. Prepare 5 to 7 pieces of calamansi, but if you don't have calamansi, you can use lime or lemon, 2 pieces or 3 pieces of lime or lemon. Here are some benefits of honey and calamansi juice. You want more remedy? Here's the calamansi, honey, and ginger tea. Thank you for watching. God bless.